In this course, you are going to learn operating system overview. What is the difference between free operating system and non-free operating system? How is the Linux directory structure? CentOS Linux installation on VirtualBox using DVD image. Then we will start with Linux commands. There we will be discussing very basic things like what is a shell, what is a command, how to use a command, what is an option, what is an argument. We'll be discussing most of the basics things related to Linux. Then we will move on to VI editor. There will be discussing more commands related to VI editor. How can you use VI editor in an efficient way? And then we'll be discussing about more commands on files and directories. How to create a user, how to set a password for a user, what is a sudo user, how it is configured. We will also discuss about what is variable, how to display variables, searching files and directories in your system, how to use wildcards in Linux, how to set file permissions, what are the different ways of permission settings, how to change the ownership and how to create a group, how is the input-output redirection works in Linux, how to pass an output of a Linux command as an input of other command, searching for a string in files and commands output, and then some of the process management related commands and system management commands, how to check the system usage, how to check the disk usage, how to reboot your system, how to shut down your system, what is your CPU usage, what is your memory usage, what is your CPU configuration, etc. Then we will discuss about how to remotely log into a server and how do we do network copying. And finally, we will be discussing about package installation, how to install a package, how to remove a package, how to list the packages, etc. You are going to have a hands-on experience on all these topics by the end of this course.